Hello everybody, today we're going to give ourselves a little facial massage. I asked you guys on Instagram if you'd like to see a little bit about, of information about a facial massage that I do. And this is a facial massage that does quite a few things, but most noteworthy, I guess, is it decreases puffiness in your face. So it gives you that nice kind of jawline as well. Obviously it's a massage as well, so it eases tension in your face. It lets your muscles relax a bit. Which kind of helps prevent against like premature aging, wrinkling, all that kind of stuff. It improves your lymph circulation. Lymph or lymph? Lymph. So yes, we're pushing all that nasty stuff out of our faces. Sometimes you can actually hear it crackling in your face as you're doing it. So yeah, I generally quite like it as well. It does definitely decrease puffiness. I have noticed that quite a bit when I do it. I do, however, do this in the evening. I don't really do it in the morning, so no one's really gonna see my less puffy face anyway. But I like it because it is just nice to kind of take a few minutes for yourself, cool down, ease any of that tension through your face, you know, from like smiling throughout the day, smiling, or you know, any kind of like build up in your face. I'm a very expressive person, so sometimes it's nice to just relax the muscles in my face. I'm gonna be using the Porcelain from Troiareuke, which I pronounce wrong every time I use it. They did send me this, not a sponsored video though. I was using like a specialized ceramic tool with like edges and stuff, but your face has to be, you know, a very particular shape to use something so precise, if that makes sense. So I much prefer this. It's just got this rounded edge that actually surprisingly goes quite well on all parts of your body, goes into all areas of your body, if that makes sense. And it moves very, very gently across your face. I like the blue, it's very calming, it's very nice. I will be using as well this Cell Energy Cream. I'm not using any oils or anything because it's hot. It's really, really hot today. It's like 29 or something. So it's too hot, but usually I would mix this with an argan oil, again in the evening, but they sent me these two and I actually really want this cream for a long time, and it's just really, really good. You'll notice the glow on my skin after this as well. So using the spatula that comes with the product, I'm gonna take some of the cream. I always take product from the lid first of all. Things with oils is they help the tool glide across your face. This cream is nice and moisturizing, and the tool itself is very good at gliding across your face without the need for, like, you know, too many heavy products. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in. Not completely though, we don't want to completely rub it in like we would do our moisturizer usually. There you go, so you can still, it's kind of still on the surface a little bit, and just rubbing any excess into my elbows, because I feel like I get really dry elbows, I don't know. Just, you know, give them that little bit of attention that they deserve. So I'm going to show you one side of the face, and what you do on one side of the face you then repeat on the other. So with the rounded kind of like hollow side, so not where their logo is, you put that, how am I going to do this? You put that on your center of your head, then gently in a spiral motion push out. And we're wanting to push out because that's how we're flushing the toxins from our face. Take your time with this, guys. It's slow, it's nice, it's relaxing. I should zoom in a bit, shouldn't I? Into the hairline. I'm breaking out a bit at the moment as well, guys, because... And then I like to go just over my eyebrows as well, like this. When I talk, I use my eyebrows a lot. They go crazy, like they are up and down. So it's nice and soothing. This is great for when you have like a bad headache as well. Okay, then we're gonna move on to the middle bit of our face. Then this is meant to be good for dark circles as well. So we're gonna go through our dark circle area, just like this. I've not personally noticed a difference with dark circles when you do this, but I have with general awakeness. I don't get that like little puffy under eyes when I wake up. Push out. This is where I hear like crackling. You know, whatever tool, whatever product I'm using, I always hear like a bit of a crackle going on. It's quite a nice sound. So this is what I call the second area. I split it into like forehead, cheek area, and then we're gonna go into the jaw area. Don't forget that top lip as well. Okay, now it's a little bit different when we get to this section here. So you want to go out and then down through the neck. Keep doing the same thing, down through the neck. And then we want to do the actual neck. I usually find there's enough like cream on the base of this to not have to cover your neck in it as well. This is the bit for me that really reduces my puffiness, because we're doing the double chin area like that, and then we repeat the same on the other side. With this, you can obviously go all around your neck as well, but I'm really hot. Then all I'm gonna do is gently tap in the rest of the moisturizer or oil or whatever you're using. You'll find that doing that massage has pretty much rubbed it all into your skin anyway. Make sure you rub in the motion that we just massaged in. And I feel like this is a good, what's the word? It's a pretty good indication of how you should apply your skincare as well. So when you are moisturizing or doing serums, from like the middle up and out, eye creams up and out, you know, like moisturizers always like up and down kind of thing, like this. When in doubt, just go up and out. Oh, rhyme, trademarked, don't copy that. It's not that good. But that is it really, guys. My skin now feels nice and tight. I try not to move my face too much because my muscles are relaxed. Don't laugh. Relaxed. So yeah, this is something I don't do that often, but I'm definitely starting to do again. So I used to do it like maybe 3 times a week. And sometimes I did it in the morning as well with like a light moisturizer. Something like this porcelain tool is gonna glide across your face anyway, so it can just be a light moisturizer. You'll see that like during that I went a little bit red, but the redness calms down completely pretty much straight away. But that's it, guys, and it's the evening. It looks like it's not because it's summer, because it's still so bright outside in the evening. But yeah, I'm ready to relax a bit, watch my stories, and then go to bed under a fan. So I hope that was interesting. I hope that was informative. Links for all the products used in this video will be down below as always. But that is it from me now, guys. I will see you next time.